Start, it just sucked fuel.
Alright.
You ready? I don't know if there's fuel up there, but I don't smell fuel coming out. That's why I'm wondering.
Yeah.